Leadership. Leadership has been and always will be the most valuable asset on earth. Without it, no amount of money, resources, or talent will ever achieve sustainable success for any organization. But with it, all other odds and obstacles can be overcome. Leadership is what moves us from point A to point B. Leadership is what makes each of us all that we have the potential to be. Leadership is what gives us hope for a better tomorrow. The most important and most difficult person to lead will always be yourself. It's the aspect of leadership that will acquiring the most disciplines, commitment, and determination. However, it's also the aspect that will reap the greatest rewards. Leadership is all about opening doors, personal and professional development, and learning to lead through empowerment. One of the most effective methods of leadership is to lead by example. Everything in an organization starts at the top. As a leader, the tempo that you set will generally set the tone for how members within your organization interact with each other, as well as others outside of your organization. Leadership model. The leader exists in a symbiotic relationship with their organizational environment. The leader is the producer of their organizational environment and adapts and responds to their organizational environment. Leadership is dynamic and changing, with the leader being the producer and recipient of the changing organizational environment. The leader impacts the delivery system by leading themselves, engaging in the business of leadership and management, influencing others, leading change, leading complex organizational system, and participating in executive board and stakeholder leadership as a service to the profession and community with the highest leadership ethical principle. The best way to develop trust is to know yourself and to understand the value of difference and how to communicate with others. You no longer have to feel like it is lonely on top. Successful leaders know the value not only lies in the people, but invest in them to set purposeful goals and create a culture of excellence to achieve strategic initiatives. Many companies spend a lot of money on training, but training will only take you so far. It's often one-dimensional and lacks the follow-up needed to support sustained growth. Leaders are people who do the right things, while managers are people who do things right. Leadership is the art of getting someone else to do something you want done because you want to do it. Leadership means different things to different people around the world and different things in different situations. For example, it could be related to community leadership, religious leadership, political leadership, and leadership of accompanying groups. Leaders help themselves and others to do the right things. They set directions, build an inspiring vision, and create something new. Leadership is about mapping out where you need to go to win as a team or an organization. It's dynamic, exciting, and inspiring.
Created using Powtoon.